Hello everyone. This next video on electric uke playing is about Take On Me by a-ha. It's the new acoustic version from 2017, a gentle song to make everyone cry. We're almost finished our tutorial videos focusing on finger picking, and the songs are getting harder, and this one is a bit easier to give you a break. We're back to using our fingers as well. But because it's a really minimal recording, the challenge is to play as clean as you can with both hands to avoid a dead, thumpy pluck. As well, we have some nasty C-sharp and C-sharp minor chords to get past. And to add to that, I'm playing the 1, 4, 2, 3 with a different rhythm, which seemed to fit when I was doing it. Something like that. With all that, it's not quite as easy, but if I can do it, you can do it. Tune your uke and let's go.
Talking away, oh, I don't know what I'm to say, I'll say it anyway. Today is another day to find you shying away. I'll be coming for your love, okay? Take on me. Take me on. I'll be gone in a day or two. So needless to say, I'm odds and ends, but that's me, I'm stumbling away, slowly learning that life is okay, and say after me, it's no better to be safe than sorry.